Hey everybody. So the potatoes are starting to yellow up and they're starting to, I think, get ready to be pulled. But it's hard to tell fully, and I gotta use this space for sweet potatoes. So I don't know whether to leave them for a little bit longer or start pulling now. And what I did to help see what's underneath here, I pulled a few and I noticed that here are the potatoes already, so that's not too bad. Maybe a little bit smaller here. That's a big one. But maybe once I get in there, we'll see what they look to be. So maybe I might be safe to go ahead and pull these out and start taking a look underneath. I mean, my guess is that another week or two, I don't know if they're going to get much bigger than that anyways. So just looking at them here, they're starting to turn, and then I can load up the sweet potatoes today. So I guess let me start pulling these and we'll show you what we got. See if it was just a little bit too early or not. All right, talk to you in a bit. Alright folks, so here is the remnants of the potato plant, and here is the bed all picked out. So question is, where are the potatoes? Well, they're over here. I'll show you. Alright, here are all the potatoes that we harvested. We have the red variety and some of the white variety, so not too bad of a harvest. We probably could have let them stay in the ground maybe a week or two more, but I doubt if they would have got that much bigger. They were pretty much done and the leaves were starting to brown over, but that's a pretty good harvest. We're just trying potatoes like this for the first time. We've only grown sweet potatoes before, so now we'll replant in that bed for the sweet potatoes, so we can eat these now. All right, talk to you later.